Hello everybody. I thought to share this video with you. Hopefully it will be helpful for people interested to buy from Aliexpress products. This one, it's about those a little about, I think it's 3 inch. Yeah, these are 3 inch. This is used specifically for headlight restoration. I'll make another video on how to use them and see the results and stuff like that. But this video, it's just a quick review and see like this kit. I'll put also link description so you can check that one. This is so far I found the best kit so far because it comes with all parts necessary to do the headlight restoration. You can also use those ones for any type of finishing, sanding, wood, aluminum, or even plastic or metal as well. And those are sticks. This is paper. It looks like good quality. So I order like those are. This is 5,000. 5 pieces, 5,000. 5 pieces, 3,000. 5 pieces. This is 1,500. 1,500. Great. And there's another one. Comes all they come in the plastic bags like this one. This is 800. 5 pieces. 5 pieces. 100. 1,200. The number is missing kind of, but this one it's 1,200. 5 pieces. And 5 pieces 2,000. So if you want to do the headlight, start with this number first. Second comes this, third, fifth, fourth, fifth, and last one, which is the 5,000. So those ones made of really good quality. You can also buy them 6 inch, 7 inch, up to 7 inch, 5 inch and 3 inch. I got those one. There are also a small one like 1 inch. This one I try first time I buy those ones, so I'm gonna try them. I'll make another video about this is the fine one, which is 5,000. 3,000. You can see that in the back pretty much this is all same color, this is different color. So the 8,000 1,200 this is 1,500 2,000, so this is 2,000 1,500 3,000 and 5,000. Also that comes with those ones too. So those also for polishing. 1, 2, 3, and final one. This one, the good thing about you can use this on hand drill, tie this one like that. And to remove this, you can remove this one. Put this one like that. Or you can also, those are 3 sponges. Or you can use this sandpaper directly here. Sticks really good, and it looks like very good material made those. This is also, you can, this one I think it's a 1/4 of an inch. Quarter of an inch. Thank you for watching. Please support our channel. Check out other videos in our multi-channel. We upload videos regularly, randomly. You may like a video or so and consider subscribe, like, and share. All the best, and hope to see you next video. Thank you so much.